Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to activate your Coinbase account. Getting started is quite simple. First, you'll want to download the Coinbase app on your mobile device or head over to their official website. Once there, you'll enter your email address and create a strong, secure password. After that, Coinbase will send a verification link to your email. Just click on that link to confirm your email address, and you'll be ready for the next step in setting up your account. Next up is identity verification, a crucial step for security and compliance. You'll need to provide your full legal name, your date of birth, and your current residential address. Then, you'll be asked to upload a clear photo of a government-issued identification document, such as a driver's license or passport. Finally, you'll complete a quick selfie verification. This process helps Coinbase ensure your account is secure and meets regulatory requirements, protecting your assets. Now that your identity is verified, it's time to add a payment method. This allows you to easily buy and sell cryptocurrencies. You can link a bank account, a debit card, or even use a wire transfer. Coinbase offers support for various payment options in over 100 countries worldwide, making it accessible for many users. For added flexibility, you can link up to 3 different payment methods to your account. Congratulations, you're almost there. Before finalizing, take a moment to review all the information you've entered to ensure everything is accurate. Once confirmed, your Coinbase account will be fully active and ready for you to start exploring the world of cryptocurrency. For an extra layer of protection, we highly recommend enabling 2-factor authentication. This simple step significantly enhances your account's security, giving you greater peace of mind as you begin your trading journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.